Okay, I've sketched out the pattern for the two wood spoons I'm making. This I just used a can, drew a circle. So I kind of want the end to look like that. And it'll change as I go along. I won't keep exactly the same. I'm making two because I want to make one a strainer, so I'll put little holes in it. So I want them to be basically the same. So I just sketched something out, and we'll see how it turns out as we go along. First thing we do is we cut out the spoon part first, because it's easier to do it with it all together. Then we'll end up cutting it out and then doing the rest of it. But the main thing is we want to go ahead and use our tools to chisel out the spoon portion. Okay, I've completed the spoon. It's been sanded down to 420 grit and I've wiped it clean of any sawdust. So now we're ready to apply conditioner. So I'm going to use this butcher block conditioner, which I've used before. And they say to warm it up and it'll penetrate better, the conditioner. I also read and have done before is you put the wood spoon in the microwave for 15 seconds and then you apply the conditioner to it. And so that's what I'm going to do. And we'll apply it and we'll let it sit at least 20 minutes for it to penetrate. And it is warm. Well, I started applying without hitting the record button, but what I did was I applied it on here just with a little paper towel, and it really brings the grain out. Can't believe I forgot to hit the record button. So, but basically that's all I did. And we'll let that sit there for 20 minutes, and it really brought the grain out, doesn't it? Makes the wood look so good.